What happens if unmarried sons and daughters of U.S. citizens are asylum seekers at the border? Imagine arriving at the border seeking safety and protection. You are an unmarried son or daughter of a U.S. citizen and wondering what your options are. This situation can be complex, but understanding the rules can help you navigate it better. When someone in this position seeks asylum, they must first apply for asylum protection by showing a well-founded fear of persecution in their home country. If they are under 21 and unmarried, they can be included as a derivative family member on their parent's asylum application. That means if the parent is granted asylum, the child can also stay in the United States under that protection. However, if the unmarried son or daughter is 21 or older, they cannot be added as a derivative to their parent's asylum claim. They need to apply for asylum on their own. This is because only minors under 21 qualify for derivative status in asylum cases. Once they apply, they must go through the same process as any other asylum seeker, which involves proving their fear of persecution and attending interviews or hearings. If they are granted asylum, they can later request to bring their spouse and children under 21 to the United States within 2 years. But for adult and married children over 21, this follow-to-join process usually does not apply. Instead, they might consider applying for a family-based immigrant visa through the family preference categories. This process involves their U.S. citizen parent filing a petition called Form I-130, which can take many years because of visa limits. The waiting time can be around 7 years or longer, depending on the country of origin. There is also a law called the Child Status Protection Act that can help some children who turn 21 during the immigration process. It may allow them to keep their child status if they were under 21 when the asylum or petition was filed. This can be a big help for families trying to keep their children eligible for immigration benefits. For families, it is important to know that asylum protection mainly covers spouses and children under 21 as derivative family members. Adult and married children must pursue their own asylum case or apply for a family-based visa separately. Starting the process early and working with an immigration lawyer can make a big difference. Keeping records of family relationships and all filings is also essential. In summary, if an unmarried son or daughter of a U.S. citizen arrives at the border seeking asylum, those under 21 can be included as derivative family members if their parent is granted asylum. Those over 21 will need to apply on their own and might face long waits for a family-based visa. Knowing these rules and planning ahead can help families find the best path forward.